Sheesh! Welcome back to my channel. You feel me? It's your boy DaeDae. I feel like I haven't talked to y'all in such a long time. I really just want to say I appreciate y'all for y'all support towards my channel and support towards my Instagram and everything I'm doing. You feel me? So I'm really out here. I'm trying to make this channel one of a kind. It's gonna be one of a kind stop shop. You feel me? That's mini bikes, drag racing, takeovers, off-roading events, like all type of different stuff. Like they say when you start a new trend, it's hard, but your real supporters gonna rock with you for who you are. You feel me? So I need all my supporters to really rock with me and stick with me. Trying something new. Everybody who usually do YouTube, they always stick to one video and one type of content. Nah, I'm a dude of many talents, so I really like to really invest myself really in everything. A little bit of here, a little bit there, you feel me? Just like the rich people, they put their money here, there, that, and the third. I'm putting my talents here, that, there, and the third. So I need y'all to rock with me. Me and Royal Jay-Z, we doing the link up Riverbed run this Thursday at 2 o'clock at Home Depot. You can follow me on Instagram at exclusive.data. It'll be updated with all the locations and all the videos and all the other good stuff. So I just appreciate y'all. I just want to say I'm out of here. Stay focused, stay motivated. And to the couple that traveled all the way from Sacramento down just to meet me, I just really want to say I appreciate y'all. I love everyone that watch my videos. I just can't do it without y'all. I just want to thank y'all for rocking with me once again. So I want everybody to have a blessed day. I'm out of here. It's your boy DaeDae.
I know a lot of people been asking where have I been. I've been in the lab trying to get these guys ready. You know, there's a tournament coming up. I don't plan on taking anything other than first place.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. I couldn't get to.
And for all my supporters that was on the ride out, I'd like to thank you for your support. First pull Wayne. I had fun on that ride out. It was very interesting. All the way from Carson to Venice and back. I enjoyed myself. Let me know when there's the next one. That's some Joe's with CMT right there. This is son's bike. Watch out for that bike in Vegas. Coming soon. Joe's is going to be a ripper. Vegas. This is Big Daddy Motorsports After Hours. Yes, boy. Good.
That foot and a half we're talking about?
Yeah.
I moved the peak back a foot and a half, so it's a lot smoother now. Think your transition into that one better?
Let me see what it looks like. I gotta figure out how to turn the voltage up on the steering. I gotta soften it up. coming loose.
My name's PJ. I'm just basically out here running the low seat Baja Ray. It's like basically full suspension, just like a trophy truck. It's got the 4-link full. Basically, it's just like a trophy truck, just way smaller. Feels pretty good. A little harder to drive than these ones. You got to drive it more like a car than an RC car. And it's still pretty fun. Goes pretty fast. The way it looks coming at you in the around the corner, like in this back straightaway, it looks just like a regular truck, like a real truck coming through the, kind of transports you into like Glen Helen or something like that, and then coming down the straightaway, it just looks awesome. Coming, the wheels dancing, looks, you get transported. Takes your mind off everything and takes you away to somewhere else. And you see the drivers, and you gotta watch when you're driving it. And I get so entranced in it that I'll forget that I'm driving it, and you end up wrecking and stuff like that. You're just watching the truck and forget you're driving it. It's pretty good. Nice way to get stuff off your mind and get away from things.
I have the big brother to that one, the low C Baja Ray 2.0. That's what my other truck is, and for the same reason I got that one. I love the suspension. I love how real it is. You got to drive it like it's a real truck, and it's just a smaller version.
You gotta watch the bicycles. Little bicycle on you, real easy, just like a regular truck.
Yes.
like a real trophy truck.
These things you can just throw into a corner and go. That you really have to drive it.
Yeah, you're constantly on the steering wheel, feathering it back and forth, and just like you're in the truck driving it.
Went from a big heavy battery to a smaller, more race battery. Lighter weight. A little better. I can at least drive it now.
That one bolt keeps backing out, then oh, that's it flex and pop.
No, that one bolt. That one bolt keeps backing out.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna change the cups because they're getting grooves in them. Having the same problem. Keeps popping the dog bone out, so I'm gonna have to replace this arm. This thing got too weak. Day's over.